In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Cash App account. First thing, launch the Cash App on your device and tap on the account icon located at the top right corner of the home screen. Scroll down the list of options and select Support. Within the Support section, find and tap the Something Else option under Browse. You'll be presented with a list of additional accounts options. Here, choose Edit Account Settings. On the Edit Account Settings page, look for the option labeled Close Account. Tap on it, and you will be redirected to a page providing information about what happens when you delete your Cash App account. After reviewing the details, if you're sure about closing your account, tap on Confirm Closing Account located at the bottom of the page. And ensure you have withdrawn any remaining funds from your Cash App account, and once the account is closed, you will not be able to retrieve any funds or transaction history associated with that account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.